Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And today's video, I am so excited. I got my first PR box from Maybelline, and I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys. And not a first impressions, because I did do a first impressions on Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go leave me a follow. I'm going to leave it right over here. My name is XOMelissa205. So go follow me on there. I did a first impressions and I did a few swatches, but I thought this deserved a video of itself, and I know that I've been getting so many DMs about this, so I wanted to just share this with you guys. So I didn't know I was getting this. Maybelline reached out to me many months ago and they asked me for my address. I gave it to them. They said they wanted to send me some PR, and I didn't hear a thing, guys. I was so clueless. I was like, okay, did I give my address to like a stranger who's not gonna send me anything? Like I was a little nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I came home and I see a box from Maybelline, and I was like, I didn't buy anything off of Maybelline. And I was like, oh my god, Maybelline sent me PR. And let me tell you, I screamed so loud, guys. I literally I was like, Mom, get off the phone, I have to talk to you. Then I called up Ivan and I was like, ah! So I was really happy and excited. So I just wanted to shout Maybelline out and say thank you so much for sending me this PR package. I did already put this on Instagram on my stories, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do this video for you guys. But before we jump into this video, I just want to ask you guys, if you do like this video and you are excited for it, please consider subscribing to my channel so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. And if you hit that post notification bell, you can get notified of all of my future uploads. I usually upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. EST. But without further ado, let's just jump right into this video, guys. So this is the box, and you guys, I opened it up and look at how beautiful. I have so many lipsticks. You guys already know I'm a lipstick hoarder. I love lipsticks. They're my favorite, and boom, I have so many now. So if you guys couldn't see, this is the Maybelline Superstay ink crayons. So you guys know I'm obsessed with the Maybelline brand. I use their liquid lipsticks and they are amazing. I'm a huge fan. They stay on all day. They are a little bit sticky, but I don't mind that because they are just so good. So they came out with a crayon version. I am just so excited. So this is an intense matte up to 8 hours of wear, and I have worn these for 8 hours, guys, and I have to say they do really last for the 8 hours. These last through eating, they last through drinking, they last through like oil and vinegar dressing. They last. They did rub off a little bit, but not even bad. I'm actually wearing a lipstick today. This is this pink one right here. I applied it at 8 o'clock in the morning, and it is 3:44, and it's still on, and it still looks really good. It did fade a little bit, but it looks amazing, and I'm so excited to show these to you guys. So I'm just gonna start from the top and go down. So let me just talk a little bit more about these lipsticks. So they are matte, they are 8 hours. They are so darn creamy, guys. They feel so good on the lips. I'm just taking off my bracelet so I can swatch them for you guys. They feel so good on the lips. They last, they're matte, but they're not like super drying. They don't cling to anything. They just are amazing. I really do like them. So I'm gonna start off from the first one. This is the shade Live on the Edge. This is what it looks like. I'm actually not gonna be putting them on my lips because these bad boys, they're hard to take off. I'm not even gonna lie. So first things first, each and every one of them come with a little pencil sharpener, and I think that is so handy, so darn cute, because you know sometimes you have crayons and they just lose their sharpness, and it's just really difficult to sharpen them because the crayon texture just gets, like, I don't know, to me it's just weird. So I'm really happy that they do have their own personal sharpeners on every single one of them, and that is a very smart move. And yeah, open it up, and then this is the point. So I actually have not used this one yet, but this is just amazing. So you do have that nice point. So like I said, it is very easy to get that nice line and just to fill in your lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch right across. So again, this is the shade Live on the Edge. This is 05. And I'm just gonna do one swipe first. Look at how darn pigmented this is, guys. It looks amazing. That was one swatch. Very pigmented, very smooth, very buttery. It is just creamy, amazing. I really, really do like this. And the smell is really good too. It smells like vanilla-y. It smells pretty good. So I do love this. That's actually a very pretty shade. But for me, that's more of a winter shade versus summer shade. Next shade I'm going to dip into, this is the shade Lead the Way. Again, you do have that nice point, and I'm just going to swatch. Look at how easy that was to swatch. So easy, and the pigmentation is beautiful. This is definitely a color that I would basically use every day. It is one of my favorite everyday type of colors because I do love mauves and stuff like that. The next shade that I'm going to dip into is Enjoy the View. This is 20. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and swatch for you guys. Look at how beautiful. That is such a nice, deeper pink shade, and it's just so beautiful. I really do like that. The next shade I'm going to dip into is the shade Stay Exceptional. This is the shade 25. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch, and that is, my swatches are not good, so I apologize, but that is just such a nice purple tone mauve. It is just stunning. I really do like that shade. The next shade I'm actually wearing on my lips right now, this is the shade Seek Adventure. This is 30, and you guys could see how it looks when I first apply it, which is when I swatch it to now, and I feel like it just looks really good. It is such a pretty pink. It's not like a bubblegummy pink, it's deeper than a bubblegum. It is just so nice. Again, very creamy, it's creamy, it goes on creamy, but it's matte. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Next shade I'm going to dip into is the shade Treat Yourself. Treat yourself to these lipsticks, guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and swatch right here. That is such a nice fuchsia pink. Oh, I love it. It is just so darn pretty. This next shade I am actually obsessed with. I love it so much. This is the shade Laugh Louder. I used this all day yesterday, and I love this one. It is so pretty. It's such a nice, pretty summer shade. It is a red but with a hint of orange. It just looks so pretty, and it's just perfect. I feel so confident when I wear this one because it just gives me that nice wow. That's like my power color. You know, some people say reds are their power colors. The red is my power color, but this is like my favorite power color. Looks so pretty. This is actually a red that I am obsessed with. I love their red lipsticks so much. This is the shade Hustle in Heels. This is 45. And look at that pretty red. So you guys can see the difference. That one has a hint of orange, and this one is just a nice, deep, pretty red. It is just so darn pretty. And even with one swipe, the application was perfect. You can build this up to make it intense, use it a little bit lighter to make it more like a stain. It is amazing. I've worn it both ways. This is the shade Own Your Empire. This is a nice deeper red. This is a nice red for like the holidays, winter. Beautiful. I love this type of red. You could definitely go a little bit lighter just for more of a stain type of color, but press harder and you get that nice, deep, beautiful red. So I do love that. Next, I'm going to swatch the shade Make It Happen. This is such a pretty wine color. I love it. This is definitely a color for fall for me. I'm obsessed with it. It's a nice plum wine, and I love it endlessly. The next shade I'm going to swatch for you guys is the shade Accept a Dare 60. Those two colors look pretty similar. This one is a little bit on the deeper pinker side, so I do like this. It's very pretty. Another great shade for the fall. I feel like those colors are like my type of fall colors. They're beautiful. Then this last shade that I love so much, this is the shade Settle for More 65. And this one is such a nice, deep color, guys. Ugh. It is just beautiful. It is so, it's like a deep burgundy wine plum. Ugh, so pretty. So I feel like literally in this collection there is a color for everybody. I mean, look at all of these colors. There is a color here for everyone. Classic mauves, you have the pinks, you have the reds, you have the deep purples. Beautiful. I would love to see these in nude. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like a nude would be gorgeous in this formula, in this color scheme, because it is just so darn creamy, guys. It is creamy, it is matte. I feel like a good nude would be good, at least for me. I mean, this could also be used as a nude, but that one's more of a pinky type of nude, but I want that nice brown type of pretty nude, and it is just so darn pretty. The colors are gorgeous. I really do love them. And that is it for this video, guys. I know it's a simple, short, and sweet video, but I wanted to share with you guys some of the swatches because you guys have been asking me on Instagram. But before you leave, I just want to remind you guys to please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell if you want, so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. I usually upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys found a lipstick that you love, because I love all of them. I do. You guys know I'm a lipstick lover, and these are right up my alley. But I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye!